Exercise 2.6, problem number 5. The 104th term and 4th term of an AP are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms. The problem is to find sum of first 35 terms. We have two formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first formula. Or n by 2 into a plus L. So we have two formula, sum of n terms. This is the formula to find Sn when A and D are given. This is the formula to find the Sn to find when A and last term, first term and last term are given. We have to use this formula. First term and common difference and the number of terms are given. We have to use this formula. So in this question, what is given? 104th term and 4th term. But we need the value of first term and common difference. But here we have given 104th term and 4th term. From this we have to find what is A and what is D, so that we can find the sum of first 35 terms. So let us solve this question by taking the given things. So first one, we know in an AP, T and nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Since the terms are given, we have taken nth term. Now given things, what is given? 104th term. 104th term means T 104 is equal to 125 and fourth term means T4 is equal to 0. Now take T 100 first given T 104 means A plus 103D is equal to 125. It is equation number 1. Now second one, T4 is equal to 0. T4 is equal to 0 implies A plus fourth term na 3D is equal to 0. Take equation number 2. Now A plus 103D is equal to 125. A plus 3D is equal to 0. Subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So equation number 1 minus equation number 2 implies A plus A minus A will cancel. 103D minus 3D is equal to 100D is equal to 125 minus 0 is equal to 125. Now we want the value of D. Therefore D is equal to 125 divided by 100. Two numbers are divisible by 125 table. 4 25s are 100. 5 25s are 125. Therefore D is equal to 5 by 4. D is equal to 5 by 4. The next thing, we have to find the value of A. Equation number 1 A and D, equation 2 A and D. So equation 2 is a simple equation. So apply this value in equation number 2. Substitute D is equal to 5 by 4 in equation number 2. What is equation number 2? 2 implies A plus 3D. A plus 3 into D. D is equal to 5 by 4 is equal to 0. So A plus 3 5s are 15 by 4 equal to 0. Therefore A is equal to 15 by 4 will become minus 15 by 4. Therefore first term A is equal to minus 15 by 4, D is equal to 5 by 4. What is our problem? To find S35. That means N is equal to 35. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is equal to 35, so yes, 35 is equal to 35 by 2 into 2 into A. A is equal to minus 15 by 4 plus 35 minus 1 is equal to 34 into D. D is equal to 5 by 4. Now which is equal to 35 by 2 into, see the denominator, both denominators are 4. So let us take LCM as 4. 2 into minus 15 is equal to minus 30. plus 34 into 5, 34 la paadi 7, 15 down 0 சேர்த்துங்க 170. Now which is equal to 35 by 2 into 170 minus 30 is equal to 140 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12, remaining 2 20, 5 4s are 20. So 35 into 35 is equal to 1225. 35 square na 3, the next number 4, 3 4s are 12, 5 square is equal to 25. So 1225 is the 35 square divided by 2, which is equal to 6 2s are 12, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 point, 10 na 5. So answer 612.5. Therefore S35 is equal to 612.5. So answer sum of first 35 term is 612.5. So very simple question. 104th term and 4th term are given na. First form the two equation in terms of T and formula. A plus 103D is equal to 125, A plus 3D is equal to 0. Solve the equation by elimination method. A will cancel, you will find D is equal to 5 by 4. Then substitute D is equal to 5 by 4 in equation number 1 or 2. 2 is a simple equation, apply here, you will find the value of A. So we have A and D and our problem is to find Sn. Formula n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is equal to 35. So 35 by 2 into 2 into A is equal to minus 15 by 4 plus 34. 34 means 35 minus 1 is equal to 34. 34 into D is equal to 5 by 4. So denominator 4, denominator 4. So take the common LCM as 4. 2 into minus 15 is equal to minus 30 plus 34 into 5 is equal to 170. 1 plus 1 minus, you have to subtract. 170 minus 30 is equal to 140. 140 divided by 4. Since we can divide by 4th table, 1 4 is 4. 30 by 4s are 140. So 35 into 35 is equal to 1225 divided by 2. So 1225 divided by 2 is equal to 612.5. Therefore sum of 35, first 35 term is 612.5. So very important 5 mark question and very simple 5 mark question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next problem, exercise 2.6, problem number 6. Find the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450. All odd positive integer. Now other name of positive integer is natural numbers. Other name of positive integer is natural numbers. So odd natural numbers less than 450. So the old book, extra one thing we have, beginning with 5 it has, but in this new book that word is removed. So it's a very simple question. First one, solution. Find the sum of all odd positive integer less than 450. So what are the odd positive integers? The odd positive integers less than 450 or what are the odd positive integers? 1, 3, 5, dot less than 450 means 449. So what is our problem? To find Sn such that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot plus 449. So here A, the first term A is equal to 1 and the common difference 3 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and the last term L is equal to 449. So when A first term and the last term is given, Sn formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So to find n, what is n? N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Or simple thing, just add first term and last term and divided by 2. That will be the number of odd terms. So let us solve by this formula. So already, which is equal to L is equal to 449 minus A is equal to 1 divided by D is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 448 by 2 plus 1. So divided by 2, 2, 2, 4, 1. So answer which is equal to 225. What is this? N. But our problem is to find Sn. So Sn formula we have already written, n by 2 into A plus L. N is equal to 225. So answer 225 divided by 2 into A is equal to 1 plus L is equal to 449. So which is equal to 225 by 2 into 450. 1 2 is 2, 225 2s are 450. So which is equal to 225 square, because 225 into 225 is equal to 225 square. So now multiply 225 into 225. So 225, 225. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Multiply 2, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 2s are 4. The same number, 2, 225 is equal to 450, so 0, 5, 4. Add 5, 2, 6, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, remaining 1, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So answer 50625, which is equal to 50,625. 50,625 is the sum of 225 terms. What is the answer? Therefore, the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450 is 50,625. Very simple question. Since the question has only one sentence, it will be an important question to ask. It will be an important question. The old book, it contains extra words beginning with like 5 like that. In the new book, they have taken that sentence beginning with 5. I don't know why. Because they have taken, we also have to follow the same thing. If it is beginning with 5 now, 5 is the first term. 1 and 3 will be less. So a number of terms will be 223. That means we have to multiply 225 into some number. That's why we have taken that beginning with the 5 sentence. So very carefully answer. Don't memorize the question. The last year book contains extra sentence so that the answer difference. Here it's a very simple question. Exercise 2.6, problem number 6. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. We have discussed a problem, example problem there, which are divisible by like that. Here which are not divisible. Which are divisible now, that's very simple. They are discussed which are divisible by 7. Here which are not divisible. So not divisible now, first number 603 between we have to exclude the n value. 602 and 902 will not be in the sequence. 603 is the first number. 604 will not be there. 605 will be there. 606 like that it goes. So some numbers will be in the sequence. In between some numbers will be excluded. இடையில ஒரு value போயிருக்கும். So we cannot add by using the formula directly. So to find this sum, we are going to follow the following things. Listen. Solution. Our problem is sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. Let us write this. The sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible, by 4 is equal to, not divisible by 4 மொத்த sum equal to, I am going to find the total sum between 602 and 902, that is sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 minus sum of all numbers between 602 and 902 which are divisible by 4. This is a formula, this is a logic we are going to use. The sum of all natural numbers which are not divisible by 4 is equal to sum of all natural numbers minus sum of all natural numbers which are divisible. Total sum la irundhu divisible ஆகிறது subtract பண்ணிட்டா we will get the numbers which are not divisible by 4. So this is a logic. Sum of not divisible வேணும்னா total sum கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதில் இருந்து divisible subtract பண்ணிட்டா you will get the sum of all natural numbers which are not divisible by 4. So to find the sum of all natural numbers, the last exercise special series we have the formula sum of first n natural number formula n into n plus 1 by 2. We can follow this formula. Sum of all natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, but here from between 602 and 902, that is a logic. That means not from the beginning, in between we have. So we can use either the sum of the natural number formula or sum of the first n natural sum of the n terms in arithmetic progression formula. So this is a simple one. If you want to use the natural number formula also. So first one, sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 is equal to, the first number is 603 plus 604 plus dot. The last number is between 902, the previous number is 901. So these are the natural numbers between 602 and 902. 603, 604, etc. 901. Here A is equal to 603 and D is equal to common difference equal to 1 since natural number, and L is equal to 901. Here the formula number of times n is equal to 902 1 ல இருந்து 602 subtract பண்ணாலே கிடைச்சிரும். ஏன்னா வரிசையா வரனால 901 minus 602 னு அப்ளை பண்ணா it will become 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. 11 it will become 9. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. And if we give 1, it will become 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So 299 terms will be there. Since these are the natural number, வரிசையா இருக்கறனால 901 ல இருந்து இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க நம்பரை subtract பண்ணா you can find n. இல்ல சார் I will find using the formula. The formula n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1, which is equal to L is equal to 901 minus 602 divided by D is equal to 1. A is equal to 603 plus 1, which is equal to 901 plus 1 is equal to 902 minus 603. If you subtract the same, 299. Subtract 902, 603. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. When you get 1, it will become 9. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. When you give 1, it will become 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So 299 is the number of terms. Therefore, formula, when the last term is given, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So which is equal to n by 2. What is n? 299 by 2 into a is equal to 603 plus L is equal to 901. So which is equal to 299 by 2 into 603 plus 901. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 9 plus 6 is equal to 50. So we can divide by 2. 1 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. So 752 into 299. Multiply 752 into 2. இது ஈஸியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா ஜஸ்ட் மல்டிப்ளை பை 3 2 0 போட்டுட்டு ஒரு தடவை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஏன்னா 300 minus 1 is equal to 299. இல்லை அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். 2 9s are 18 remaining 1. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 1 is equal to 46 remaining 4. 7 9s are 63 plus 4 is equal to 67. The same number 8 6 7 6. Multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10 remaining 1. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is equal to 50. So 8 plus 6 equal to 14, 4 remaining 1. 8 plus 6 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 remaining 1. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 remaining 1. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 remaining 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer, this is equal to 22, 48, 48. This is sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902, which is equal to number of terms 299. Right? This is the sum of all natural numbers between. Now, sum of second part, sum of all natural numbers divisible by 4. Sum of numbers, sum divisible by 4. What are the numbers? So first number between 602 and 902 இருக்கு. Divide 602 by 4. 1 4 is 4 remaining 2 20. 5 4s are 20 remaining 2. Since it has remaining 2, to divisible by 4 we need 2. So add the 2 with 602. The first number is 604. Next number is 608. Dot dot dot. To find the last term between 902, just divide 902 divided by 4. 2 4s are 8 remaining 1 10. 2 4s are 8 remaining 2 22. 5 4s are 20. So remaining 2. Since it has remaining 2, just subtract the 2 with the last number. 902 minus 2 is equal to 900. So the last number divisible by 4 is 900. So this is the sum divisible by 4, where a is equal to, here a is equal to 604 and d is equal to divisible by 4, not d is equal to 4, and the last L is equal to 900. So number of terms n is equal to formula L minus a by d plus 1. So which is equal to 900 minus a is equal to 604 divided by 4 plus 1. So first we have to subtract 900 minus 600 is equal to 300. Here extra 4 na, it is 296, which is equal to 296 by 4 plus 1. So if you have doubt now, just subtract 900 minus 604. When you get, it will become 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. It will become 9. It is 10. It is 9. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. When you give 1, it will become 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So 296. So divide by 4. 1 4 is 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 1. Remaining 1 16. 4 4s are 16. So 74 plus 1 is equal to 75. So n is equal to 75. Therefore, sum divisible by 4. Shortly I have written sum divisible by 4 is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into A plus L, which is equal to, N is equal to here, N is equal to 75. 70 by 5 by 2 into A is equal to, here A is equal to 604 plus L is equal to 900, which is equal to 75 by 2 into, add the value, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Sorry, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So 15, 0, 4. Divided by 2, 1, 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10, and 2 2s are the same 752. Here it is 75 into. The same number we have multiplied there, 299 into, now here 75 into, multiply 700 so into 75. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26, remaining 2, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2 is equal to 37. Multiply 7 2s are 14, 4 remaining 1, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1 is equal to 36, remaining 3, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 is equal to 52. So 0, 10 remaining 1, 8 plus 6 equal to 14, remaining 1, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 5. This sum is equal to 56,400. So this is sum divisible by 4. So what is our question? The sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible. Let us take that required sum. So we have already written the formula. Therefore, I am going to write, therefore, the required sum is equal to, the first sum answer 22, 48, 48. 22, 48, 48 minus the divisible sum answer 5, 6, 400. We have to subtract these two numbers, 22, 48, 48 minus 5, 6, 400. 5, 6, 400. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, 4 minus 6, we cannot subtract, get 1, it is 14, 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, when it gives 1, it will become 1, we cannot subtract, so it is 21. Give 1, it will become 11, 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, when it gives 1, remaining 1, so answer 16,8448 is the required sum. So the answer, the required sum is equal to some 1,68,448. It's very important compulsory question like that question, because here the word not is very important. Sum of all natural numbers between the two numbers which are not divisible. So which are not divisible, first you have to find sum of all natural numbers between the two numbers, then sum of all numbers which are divisible, then subtract the two sums. There, that is the answer of sum of all natural numbers which are not divisible. Not divisible enna sum of all natural numbers kandidikanum minus sum of divisible kandidikanum, then subtract pannina, that is answer. So rendu sum kandidikanala, this will be a nice compulsory question. Important questions கேட்கறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. If the word not is given, it will be very simple question. The second part alone, which are divisible by 4. Here the word not is given, you have to follow this. And also very important things, between. If it is from 2, you have to start with 602. Since it is between, we should not start 602. The next number 603, and also the previous number 901. If it is from 2 na, that is the first number, this is the last number. Between na, you should not take these two values to extreme values. You have to exclude the values. The ரெண்டை விட்டுட்டு தான் எடுக்கணும். Between கொடுத்திருந்தா, from 2 கொடுத்திருந்தா, from the first number to the last number. So it's very very important, work out, and if you have any problem, ask me. If you don't understand, just call me. Thank you.